Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to download and install the Moodle, that's Moodle, the Moodle app, which will essentially allow you to access the Not a Fan course or environment through your mobile device. So I'm using an Android phone at the moment. So if you're on an Android device, you'd go to the Play Store in which to download the app. If you're utilizing an Apple device, you'll go to the Apple App Store and search for the Moodle app. I'm going to do that in my Android device and search for Moodle. And I've got the suggestion Moodle app for Android. I'll simply tap that. And there it is. It's giving me the option. It says Moodle. We're going to hit install. So hit install. And we'll wait for it to install to the device. So now that the app is installed, we can click open. And now we're waiting for the app to load. Let's give it a moment. Okay, great. So now we're presented with two options. It's either one, I'm a learner, or I'm an educator. We want to select I'm a learner. Tap on that. And now it's asking for a site. So the site that we want to type in right here by tapping in that address area will be https:// and that will be www.my, that's M as in Mary, Y as in yellow, Exodus, EXODUS, the letter U.com. All right. Right below that, once that's typed, you see where it says connect to your site. We'll tap that. And we'll just wait for it to load. Okay, great. So now we're presented with the login screen. So the same username and password that you use and created online through your desktop computer or other device, it's the same thing you're going to use here. So I'm going to type in my username. And my password, and I'm going to log in. All right, so we have successfully logged in to the app with our credentials. It's going to provide you with probably a brief tour of the interface. I'm just going to click got it. And you can see right there goes the Not a Fan class. Just like you would do online, I'm going to simply tap on the course for it to load. And as it loads, you can see pretty much in the same format as what we had. We can see the various weeks. You can see it's still trying to provide us with a tutorial, but I'm going to hit got it for now. And all the content, the same way it's organized on your computer or other device, is going to be there. So if I want to access the week 1 discussion forum, for example, I can simply tap on it. And you can see here, by tapping on it again, I'm going to hit got it, that there goes all the content. There's the actual post for the discussion, and I have the ability to reply and see the various replies right here, just like I would on the actual system. And if I want to go back, I just simply hit the back button. And again, browse through all the content there just like I would online on the computer. Again, if you have further questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.